People are vaping and using tobacco, according to a new report by the Wisconsin Department of Health. Data collected shows a decline from 13.6% in 2023 to just under 12% in 2024. Wisconsin health leaders credit public awareness campaigns and community action as reasons for the downward trend. State leaders also point to a 2019 change in federal law that raised the legal tobacco sales age from 18 to 21. However, Wisconsin remains one of only 8 states that has not changed its state law to match the federal law, which health leaders say has caused confusion and enforcement challenges.
Duluth is